In a world where every choice we made impacts our planet, there's a place where tradition meets sustainability.
Welcome to Bangar La Union, home to the centuries-old craft of inable weaving. Here at De Castro's Loom Weaving, every thread tells a story not just of tradition but of a commitment to our planet.
Inable cloth, crafted from locally sourced natural cotton, offers a sustainable alternative to mass-produced textiles. Unlike synthetic fabrics like polyester, which harms our environment due to microplastics, oil, gas, and energy used in egg production, Inable leaves a minimal footprint, weaving together tradition and eco-consciousness.
Ah, 16 years.
60 years.
16.
Ay, 16 years.
Right.
Nagbayagan anti ado ba? Ano ti reason niya ngay anti apay ka nagpagal ka na
Pero siyempre, pangalamit, allowance ni ti aldaw. Kasi every day isahod mo dito. Pangbaybay, tigito kuryente. Hanggang na tagad yan sa bali kami na baryo. Pamasahe kami lang umay dito. So nga, ilalaan niya dito, ito isuti makatulong diyan. Kasi siyempre, kami mo nakaagal. Awag si Adar ni, naigami. So nga, amis lang. Kada ito, kami na inagal. Experience lang, hindi ni mother ni, tinagababol na nagabula ka school. Panagbuti ni mother ni, makakamit. Ikaw, at nakapagsin ni mang-tratran, kaya lang. Haan mo nga kakaagal tayo ito. Masusurbang ka kasi, mulado mo dyan araming din. Yes, meron nila kasi sobrang ni kinanang ni. So nga natin tingnan sa katagal.
Each thread woven by artisans like Nanay tells a story of resilience and tradition. By choosing Inabel, you're not just making a purchase, you're making a statement of support for local communities like Bangar La Union, where every purchase directly impacts livelihoods and sustains centuries-old traditions.
As we conclude our journey through the artistry of Inable, we extend an invitation to join us in supporting local products like Inable, products that embody quality, tradition, and eco-friendliness. Together, let's wave a future where sustainability and culture harmonize, preserving our planet and enriching our communities. Mabuhay ka, Pilipinas!